guys, PigHunter03 here, and I am with a very nice demon friend who is apparently silent right now, and I have no idea why. Ah! Hey, I think I just crapped myself.
Sorry.
Yeah, you literally made me press like 5 different buttons on my computer. Thanks, appreciate it. Alright, we are on Prime MC, one of the greatest prison servers I have seen in a long time, and I'm with my demon friend who has red eyes and a green nose. Alright.
My mouse fell and I was turning off my music.
Sure. Excuses. We all know you're in the Illuminati. Okay. So, this is going to be the first video put out on my channel in forever. No, I need help. I need help. I need help. I need help. First video, you take like 5 cuts of this and then figure out which one is best and then cut the other one and then put them at the back. Okay, so we are on Prison Caramel. That brown thing that looks like poop but it's lighter. And you can eat it. As you can see, I already have a crap ton of progress. I am that one dude who always records in the middle of the series. No. I am Prestige 1, rank P. My friend here is that one rank that no one remembers because no one honestly really cares. And
build all the houses.
yeah, I tried recording this once before when we were building this, and my microphone was disabled, and it just all went to hell. It was pretty bad. So, what we're going to be doing today is just messing around with a thing. We're going to show you our special secret. Aiden knows what I'm talking about, right, boy? Yeah, you know who I am. You know what I'm talking about. We'll figure that later. Remember what I talked to you about? Remember, under the house, you know what I mean? Yeah. Come on. Say something!
Jesus?
Wait, what? Did you trip? Under the house?
Yeah.
I told you so many times to stop messing with religion's gods, and you just throw them under a basement.
I'm sorry, dude. I mean, like, you know how I use e-mail sometimes?
I can't even drop something in this game without typing a command. Oh god. Alright, let's close the door in my face. Alright, we're gonna be showing you our totally top secret project, which is our drug cartel. This server is loosely based around candy, and you use the candy to gain certain power-ups. Now behind this painting is absolute nothing. It is complete trash. You did something and it broke the game. So, you're gonna be cleaning this up, Mr. Janitor, while I tell everyone about my great love of drugs/candy. So, in the chest are a bunch of potions, which we call the nice concoction of drugs, and it's delicious. We got the nerds, the Laffy Taffy, the Jawbreaker, the Jelly Beans, the Lollipop, and the Pumpkin Seeds. Okay. Boy, where did you go? Just a little more. You're gonna have to go get that. So this is all of our candy/drugs. We're gonna call them drugs because we're used to having drugs in the game, and it all around makes the experience better for us. Don't know if that was a joke or not, but I just punched his wood and threw it in the water. Alright, that sounded really wrong. So we're just gonna forget that ever happened, and then in a year or so I'm gonna be doing like a 10 subscriber special and then have that on my funny moments, aren't I? I think I made a mistake. Talking 101. Mistake. Okay, let's get back. So we are on Prime MC. I have a balance of $685 million, and I intend to never use that.
I have a balance of 0.2 cents.
We know he's been investing wisely. This is my room.
Everything that I built,
Yeah, this stuff is completely overpriced on the server though, so I don't blame you for going broke.
Yeah, like 16 was like $16,000.
Yeah, like if you go to shop, I'll show you guys. Alright, let's go. The building block. 16 pieces of dirt is $3,000 and 125. You just... What? Get back here! Get back here! You're gonna take these pumpkin seeds and you're gonna like them. Come here! I have swiftness on, you can't outrun me! Like, seriously, you can't. Not possible. No, I was lagging! That's not fair! Alright, I'm just gonna leave the pumpkin seeds there, I could care less. So what we will be doing this episode is screwing around like we are now, being a bunch of doofuses, which is something we do naturally. And, yeah. Yeah. Kids of the day. So, what rank are you again? 4th, that's great, alright, wait, what? What rank are you?
S.
S? Complete trash. Oh god.
I've been golden the whole time.
Exactly, complete trash. Okay,
Let's say I got erase everything that I know.
I mean, you can't.
I can't.
I mean, /plot, untrust.
No,
Removed one player from this.
You bastard.
So, I think what we're gonna be doing, and I don't know what we're doing, besides being idiots. Wait, where are you?
You wanna give me my trust box so I can build this house, please?
Yeah, that might be good. /plot, trust, and cyanide. Wait,
I'm sorry, I'm trying to fix my Minecraft currently for my mods.
so bad. You don't even have Technic Launcher. For what I am using, obviously not sponsored, because I don't have a single video up on my channel yet. Yeah, I wish I had a sponsor, and then I could get paid for doing absolutely nothing all day. Right, Aiden?
Yeah, that was great.
So great. Alright, so I think what I'm going to be trying to do is, you guys see my E-tokens balance in that one corner? It's at like 7.89 thousand. I'm going to be trying to get that to 10,000 so I can put Jackhammer 4 in my pick, and then I can just be jackhammering every mine in the city.
My YouTube, you'll be seeing
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I think, if you guys see my YouTube banner, I will eventually be able to start using my desktop. I am using my laptop right now, because I'm a low-budget piece of crap that doesn't do anything right. Yeah, I will be trying to get a recording software that's actually better than this one on my desktop. I can actually use it. I can actually get a microphone on my desktop. That would be great. And then I can start recording some nice stuff, like Team Fortress 2, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. We all love that Counter-Strike Global Offensive, don't we? Yes. So, hey, I am better than you. We faced off yesterday and I whipped your butt.
No, we didn't.
Yes, you did.
1v1.
We were playing with bots. I won.
We were playing with bots, exactly.
And I won.
We were playing deathmatch.
And I won.
You wanna go 1v1 like right now?
Actually not really. It's that Galaxy Prison dude. Oh, really annoying. Like, all the time. That dude has been on there, like, there's so many people that do that, and it's that same server every time. It's really annoying. I don't understand why people do that and just waste their love and respect on complete trash servers like that. I'm not saying that server's trash, just most of them are in previous experiences. I've actually fallen for that plenty of times in my early Minecraft days, and it was pretty embarrassing to say the least. So I'm gonna go to mine P, and I will be trying to get some nice E tokens, yeah. Mr. Trainer just shoved me and almost shoved me down an eternal hole of death. That would have hurt.
What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna find another server.
Ow.
I joined Global Prison Server.
No, we need to be Prime MC buddies. We need Prime MC to love us so we can get free donator kits, like little trash bags. Don't you want that?
Nope.
I mean, I do. No. I'm not doing this just for the money, even though it is something that I would like. I'm doing this because I have absolutely nothing else to do today. I have watched my Netflix hard out today, and yeah, just thought I'd YOLO it and record something. Ow. So,
First, asshole.
You're going to anime, I just pulled them off, I was like, get on here now. Oh god. I love
Dude, you remember Castle Craft?
Dude, yeah, they completely reset it, which is why I haven't been playing on it in a while.
Hold on, we should probably restart that.
Later, please. I will do it later. But, I need, oh crap. I think I'm going to need your help, so get your buddy back on here. We're gonna be having some fun like the good old idiots that we are. Remember, my channel's content has idiot quality guaranteed. And that is something that I pride myself upon. And you should too. Because idiot quality is something that you just can't get in a normal YouTube person's videos. You can only get it from the Master Stupid. See? I don't even grammar. I feel like I'm gonna get shunned in school, but I think it's worth it. Mine. Ow! I feel like my person in this game has like no feet anymore. Because I have completely demolished them and steamrolled them under a compressor of air and water. And that made absolutely no sense, which is why I said it, because we need more blubber on our polar bears, if you know what I mean. Crap.
I know I know the time.
But you don't have blubber on your polar bears?
Just stop.
I mean, did I send you that really instant message one day, a while ago? It was like my unicorn took a crap in my castle and then I can only lick lollipops or something.
Yeah,
I have no idea why I said that or when I said it. It's like my unicorn farted, so I can't eat one. Oh god. I don't even know what happened. I feel like I just jackhammered something. Oh wait, no I didn't. I don't know about you, but whenever I say aloud, I jackhammered something, I feel like I'm saying something inappropriate.
Just a call.
Just might have to put a censor bar on it, don't you? There's no way the hell am I censoring this. I'm not even gonna edit it, I'm so lazy. I'm just gonna be like, hey, I'm done, throw it out on YouTube.
More videos.
Dude, Fallout 4 is just like trash. And because I said that, I'm gonna get like hate on every channel that I use. I honestly didn't like Fallout 4. I played it at my friend's house and it was not the best. It was kind of a letdown. I don't know about you, but I preferably did not like it. Oh boy. Alright, so I'm gonna prepare myself for all the hate that I'm gonna get. I'm gonna prepare myself for every piece of hate that I'm gonna get when this video is released. Yeah, while we do that, I will be mining. I'm thinking of getting that one game on my computer. I don't know what it's called.
Which game?
Slime Rancher. Yeah, I think I talked to you about that, right?
Yeah.
Pretty sure I talked to you about it. I'm probably gonna get Slime Rancher on my Steam account, and that'd be pretty swag. You will receive e-tokens randomly as you are mining. Tips and tricks from the admins, I think. Either that or it's MOTD. Probably MOTD. I don't know anything about the server. But I love it and I think you all should play it too. Yeah! Shameless self-promotion. We all love it. Don't you?
No one cares.
Self-promotion, though. It's so stingy yet perfection. Oh my. Wait, as you can see, we're also playing the same server as Mr. Cranian. I cannot talk today. It's Mr. Cranian and it's Bosky. And I honestly think that is amazing. I have actually seen them once or twice, which is kind of cool in my opinion. I actually like their videos a lot, and I've been watching them for a long time, and if you guys haven't heard them, please check them out, because they are obviously way better than I am, and I feel like I pretty much started YouTube because of the people that I look up to, and they were on that very short list. They were on that very short list. God, the phone's ringing, it's gonna be annoying, I'm gonna have to cut it out. God dang it, I have to edit. I don't want it. Stop that, I gotta drown out the phone because people are calling me and it says who they are, and I'm not allowed to do that because I will get my butt kicked by lawsuits. And that would hurt, wouldn't it?
Oh, sure.
You have no clue what I'm talking about?
I just don't care.
I love how sometimes when I'm mining, you know how that thing flashes inventory full, goes all your items?
Yeah.
I'm looking straight at it half the time and I don't even notice it. I just keep mining. Just complete logic, right? Like, we all do that, right? I'm not alone. I'm almost, ranking up here. I have, $1.3 billion, which is, kinda swaggy.
No one cares.
Welcome to my life of depression. Thank you for all coming. Hope you enjoy your stay, and hopefully you can survive the ongoing hate that I get from friends. Oh my god. Don't even, just don't even. As you can see, this server has a lot to offer. Trying to, like, get sponsored here. Please sponsor me. I have no friends. Okay.
I have like 2 subscribers, bro.
Dude, I have like 12, thank you very much, and 12 is fewer than 2, therefore I have more subscribers than you think.
Most of them are probably like your mom and your mom's friends.
Not even joking, I actually used my mom's account to subscribe to myself. No. I'm not that lame. I'm not that lame. I just got my friends, I got my friends to subscribe to a channel that doesn't have any content. See? I'm persuasive.
He promised you CSGO.
No, I didn't. You didn't subscribe to me. You're not.
Yeah.
I'm fairly certain you're not.
I subscribed to you.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your profile picture? Exactly. Island. You know why? Because you're not subscribed. You're not subscribed.
I am subscribed.
Sure. That's what they all say. And then they get blown up.
Not Polizio.
You'll never find me. Yes, I'm so evil. Wait. Ow!
This is what is that? Guys?
Boom! Rank R, boys! Oh, crap. R? Cute. I mean, what does it say on it? And what color is the text? What color is it?
It's black with 2 guys.
Okay, what color is the subscribe button?
No, because it's grayed out.
Dang it. So you are subscribed.
Who cares?
So you are subscribed. Wait. Oh, wait, I reached my e-token amount. Now I can, jackhammer some more things. God, I hate that. Let's go to the eShop, boys, and if you guys don't know... Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna actually... Aiden, I need your help here. Jackhammer, which is a chance to clear one whole layer of the mine, or Enrage, chance to throw you into a rage, spawning an RPG every time you swing your pickaxe for 3 seconds.
RPG.
Yeah, alright. /1. Alright, now I can, throw RPGs everywhere I want.
Eat Chipotle.
Hey, we don't talk about Chipotle here. Oh my god, Cortana's copying me. I killed her. I don't understand. She doesn't activate when I say the activation command, and then she activates like when I'm in the middle of recording, and I'm just like, whack. I don't understand this.
Where's my pickaxe? It's been like 20 minutes.
But, it should be in one of the chests.
Video, I'm looking for my stupid pickaxe.
I keep going to such peace. Oh crap.
My pickaxes, I have like 2.
Dude, check the chest in my room. I have like 5.
I know, I already checked, I only have 1, it's not enchanted.
Oh, really? Yeah, I thought I had more than 1. Whatever. Sucks to you.
Fuck you.
Now I have to do extra work and edit that out. Thanks, buddy.
No problem.
Crap. Take these. I don't want them. Okay, what was I gonna say before? Please enlighten me.
Eat sticks.
Can you stop making me have to censor things?
Yes.
This is a children's show.
Really Pills?
No.
You have to censor us out.
No. I don't want to. Please! I will end the Skype call if you do this. Shaft me, yes.
I stuck in your bed.
Are you kidding me? You're like a thousand miles away from me. There's no way you can find my bed. Like, seriously, that's kind of weird. And remember, if you say anything weird, I will end the Skype call. I have magic powers. Wait.
I have magic powers.
I have magic powers. Wait. I'm evil. Yes. Wait. Yes. Let's never do that again. So what are you up to?
Me?
Yes, you. Who else am I talking to?
So, in other English?
I mean, if you talked kind of louder, that might help.
No.
It's nice to know that no one cares. Just go drown myself in ice cream and sorrows. My life is pretty tragic. So, what was I saying before? Oh, yes, I remember. I will be... No, I don't remember. Oh yeah, I have more than one friend, so I will be recording, with, not just my lovely demon friend. I have a friend that is pretty much a squeaker at everything he does. I have a friend that criticizes the speaker every 5 minutes, and I have background noise that I'll have to edit out. My god, it's annoying. I will be not doing that, because I have other things to do, and I will have to edit out this entire thing, so thank you for making me do extra work. I really appreciate it. I don't want to do work! You know how much work is? It's a lot of work, okay? I don't want work. Look, another person's doing it. It's the same exact server, it's just all these idiots. Do you see that?
No, I'm talking about.
There's the people that are advertising server, you know, and they just say it in chat until they get banned. Yeah, they've been doing it, like, I think this has been going on for a few weeks, so I don't know, I'll have to check in on the forums, but these people have been spamming the same server. Like, it's a bunch of random people, and they get banned for, like, they get turn banned, but they get, like, it's the same server. I don't understand why so many people just advertise for a server. Like, I don't know if it's good or not, but honestly, I don't think any server is worth getting banned on other servers forever. Especially a server as good as this one. I really like the concept of these servers. The Prime MC servers. Now, I've said servers so many times that I'm going to stop and talk about something else, because, yes, I'm breaking my brain, and there's not a lot to break there, if you know me. Isn't that right? So I think we're just going to be mining. After this load, I will be done, and then I'll talk about something else, and we'll finish off the episode like the little Jag Battle Duty that I am. A reference to other people that I wish it was like. Crap. I think I'm going to be doing a Pixelmon, things, so if you guys push that like button, and I get, a total of whopping 7 likes, oh boy. No, if you guys, leave a like or comment on the video, tell me to, I can do another prison server on the other Prime MC prison. If you guys like that, you can suggest a prison server that I can do. I think there's that's my Twix. Stole my Twix. My Twix. Stole my Twix. My Twix. Did you hear that? They stole my Twix. So, what I will be doing is I will be doing another team, and if I get, you guys tell me to, I will just do whatever. Tell me to do something, I'm pretty sure I can do it. YOLO, right? Alright, I'm gonna finish off this load right here, and then I'll end the episode and do my obscure job of editing for the next 5 hours. Isn't that great? Alright, I'm going to my plot. PH Pig Hunter All-3? Yes, that is my name. Okay, where are you? End the video. Where are you? Wait, what did you say there?
Interview yourself.
I'm lazy. I just kinda don't wanna. Alright, Control F5! Alright guys, so you have heard it here. I am complete trash at every game I play. I have a demon friend, and I'm not normal.
Hold on, wait, don't have the episode yet.
That just ending the episode. What do you want? I'm gonna end it. What do you want?
Okay, I'm going. No, I got kicked for
Complete bad. So, if you guys want to join me or you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and give me some input. Don't appreciate hate, but I'm going to be expecting it, because this is my first video. So, I will see you all later. I got my pack of Skittles here, and I'll be having fun. Goodbye. Alright, I think we're done. Let me check oh crap, we're recording. I made a boo-boo. Alright, I'm sorry about that, guys. Okay, that stopped it. Okay, seriously, just stop.